ramp truck. It was really sketchy.
Go ahead and say that again.
When we got the ramp truck.
No, that we've done sketchier.
We've done sketchier.
All right, so moving is T-minus like 4 days away. So we're loading the ramp truck on the trailer. We had to move it over from where we had it the other day. Then we have to put the Lexus on it. So we literally have some ramps that don't really work right. Gettily on here, and it's probably going to not work. So this should be interesting.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
He's far more confident about it than I am.
Very confident. You want to look at it? Yeah, you're good. You're clear. Good. Here, I need to look at the other side. We're on.
On the edge here.
Same one.
You're good there. So hopefully as we come up, maybe it'll
make the weight go down. Can we stand up here?
No, I really want to watch. I want to watch the ramp and make sure the ramp's not going to have an issue.
Gotcha. Check the outside. I can't see.
I'm scared.
Oh, you're good, dude. You're still in the center of each one. I think it'd be fun. The only thing we got is the bump.
Oh, the bump I'm not worried about.
Okay.
But kinda, we'll be up and on it at that point.
Actually, just go all the way up, and I'll make sure the back wheel lines up.
I'm just gonna keep going to the back wheel lines.
Good. Keep the wheel straight. Whoa, whoa, did it really move? Look like it shifted. Oh, the ramp went forward. Oh, you hit the brakes? Yeah, you slid everything. Good. You're good. You're good. You want to move the drive shaft?
No, I think we'll be okay.
Okay. Yeah, the ramp holds it.
Yeah, I mean, it's not that heavy.
We're on there. I think you're going to be alright.
I'm a little concerned once we put all of the weight on this thing.
On the ramp?
Yeah.
Let's try it. Roll the window down, man. Good. Just go straight and keep the wheel straight. You go straight? Yeah, you good. Straight. Good. On the ramp, don't slide. Alright. Go until you hit the stop. You go to stop right there. Hold on. Yeah, you're good. Go. And we're on.
This is where it gets sketchy.
Where the fucking ramp tries
No,
to...
because when I tried before, my rear-wheel drive tool will throw the ramps out.
Okay, that's cool. We're still hooked. Let me check the other side. Yep, you're still hooked. We're good.
Okay, how am I looking for the drive shaft?
Let me move the drive shaft.
I mean, if it's really here.
You're not gonna clear like that. Yeah. Better safe than sorry, sir. And they're not heavy. So, all right, go ahead.
Watch that ramp.
Yeah. It shouldn't be blocked. Good, you're good. Go while ago. We got that camera right there. We're going to right stop. Right park. Here we go. Come up some more. The fully on. Come up some more. Come on. Stop. And we're on. We're fucking. I told you it was gonna fucking work.
Listen.
I told you it was gonna work. I said we've done worse.
That doesn't make it any better.
We have done worse.
That doesn't make it any better. This camera view is going to be amazing. Because the camera, the
done worse.
car is all the way up on it.
Right. I say I like it. Right there at the tow hook. Okay.
Yeah, no, she looks good. All right, now we know we need to bring the big ass jacks.
We can put them in the ramp truck.
There's not really much room in the ramp truck. There's a bunch of ramp truck parts in the ramp truck right now.
What's under the hood?
Ramp truck parts we're gonna have to figure out. We gotta play with that once we get her up on the trailer and see where we're putting.
What are you putting in the back of the bed of the truck?
Can't really put too much in the bed of the truck.
We got to swing.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about what about the other truck?
I don't know. We'll have to figure that out.
What's in the trunk of the Lexus?
All right, so now we're gonna strap this thing down, and we'll go ahead and pull the truck up and on and see how that works out. Because now we got to be getting close to our 10,000 pound weight limit on that winch. Or no, it's a 12,000 pound winch. It's just a 10,000 pound limit on the freaking crossbar.
Oh, up there.
Yeah.
Ah, we're fine. It's an angle. Yeah.
All right, here you go.
All right. Oh, yeah, little face. Remember, he said he didn't think this was gonna work.
Oh, I said it would work.
No, you didn't. You said it probably won't work.
No, I never said that.
Yes, you did. You better look at this camera. 'Cause I remember when you said it. I said, I'm sure.
I love this trailer, by the way.
Me too.
I might need you to do some steering.
All right.
We'll see. Ow! Where's my toe? My no toes let me down.
Pussy. OSHA. Strap came off on the Lexus.
About to roll over it.
Seriously? Yeah. The wheel was over here. It ain't the slack.
Oh.
About to roll over.
That's why I was like,
No.
What?
No, the strap was
strap gave up already? We didn't even do anything.
Go underneath the wheel. I said that would have hurt. Yeah.
Let's put the shocks behind them. Because basically I just got to keep coming up and giving it a break, and then coming up and giving it a break. Oh, well, maybe.
Come up a little bit, right? Oh, I mean, you think come up all the way?
I want to come up as far as possible.
I mean, where you at?
I'm trying to let the motor take a break.
What motor?
On the winch.
No, not that one. You're talking about this part.
No, I want to come up more.
Oh.
All right, shocks. Dug the ground a little bit. Oh wow. Wow, it hits. Doing some gardening. Tell you what, boys, we got a new gardener.
Hey, man. Bring the dovetail up, man. Let's see what happens.
Doing trenching, custom.
Come on, man.
Listen, I'm trying to put more weight up.
That's on there, man.
It's all the way at the end of the fulcrum.
Tow trucks do it all the time.
This isn't a fucking tow truck.
The same Ram.
No, it's not. It's only 10,000 pound bag or whip.
Hey, you going on straight?
What?
Are you going on straight?
It could use to come my way, son. All right. You're gonna come this way just a hair, just a bit, a little bit more. All right. A little bit more. Good. Straight. Whoop, whoop. All right, back that way a little bit. A little bit more. All right.
Pull more?
Yeah, I can pull some. Yeah, I think the battery may be the issue here, bud.
You left him?
Yeah, we're good there. Well, I actually think that because the majority of the weight of the car is over the back wheels, we should put the back wheels as close to over the top of the back wheels of the trailer.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm thinking.
So you want it off the dovetail, right?
That's kind of what I'm thinking, yeah.
Let it go. I got trucks over here, you got trucks too.
Yeah, well, it's done. It's come as far as it'll go on its own.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hold on. We got a thing for that.
Where's the truck? Thank God, because I can't stop it.
I don't know why you were trying to.
I think you're over, aren't you?
Yeah, we were basically where we want to be, I think. Because that puts all the weight pretty much right over that tire, which is between the weight that's up front and the weight that's there, we should be fine. Right?
It's pretty high.
Yeah, but I don't think it's much higher than the gooseneck, the other gooseneck. No, well, not in real life, but...
Don't worry, I have everything we need.
I don't know what you're thinking.
That's right.
Oh, hell no, dude.
Oh, you're eyeing it. Oh, wait. I have an app for this.
Do you?
I have a measuring app. You take a picture and it measures it for you.
Sure. Alright, so I like that. I think that's perfect where it's at. I don't really want to come forward anymore.
Yeah, go to the fucking beach.
Alright, so we're going to tie some things down and I'll talk to you guys once I get it situated and we can get it moved a little bit. Alright.
How many of those you got?
2. Yeah.
What do you think? Still fogging up?
It fogged up again.